I've had a load of new subscribers to the channel, so I thought I'd do a bit of a weekend vlog. We've got quite a busy weekend, so I thought I'd take you on the journey with us. We're in the van on the way to pick up a piece of furniture for a commission that I've got booked in a few months' time. We're dropping off Festool Hoover that I've sold, and yeah, just take you along as we go. First stop, obligatory stop when we are on an early morning road trip, is McDonald's for a Mackie D's breakfast. So we're on our way there now. Stuart's driving. So yeah, come along with us. Nom nom nom. Breakfast time, coffees. Halfway stop, coffee top up. Cheers. Table. Yes, thank you. Oh wow.
All right. Come on in. Come on, fella. How you doing?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, good. Come on in.
Perfect, thank you. Yeah, good. You?
Yeah, good. Yeah, a bit of a draw.
Oh, yes. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. Okay, I'll come look now. That's pretty.
Showed you then.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Any snags? I've got a crack in minutes.
That's okay. Yep.
Can you count your items as well?
No.
So you can crack the deal, yeah?
I like these apple dishes. No, I think just one. No. Okay. Okay, take it then. Okay. I need another. To add this, that's 23. Wait. It's fine. That's fine. Yes, those 2 bags down there. Okay. Yeah.
It goes right down.
Oh my goodness. This is quite cute. No, to one.
Big ass pig.
No. What about that?
Hate that.
Soapstone, that's quite nice. I feel like the stuff out there is nicer. It's more my cup of tea.
Yeah, you don't know what.
This place is amazing. Like it's just like a warren of stuff.
I'm looking for any like dressing table. A lot of modern films.
Little footstools are also good if you see any little footstools. Not leather so much as just like, no, on legs.
Moroccan,
That looks Moroccan, yeah. Oh, someone's got a good deal with that. 20 quid. Vintage sewing stuff. I'm looking for like wooden bobbins.
Wooden bobbin?
Yeah.
Why wooden?
Just because they're good for staging, for photograph. I hope you enjoyed that little rummage around with me. As we were leaving the stop where we had to pick up the dressing table, as we were turning, Stuart was like, that looks like a charity shop, pointing like literally down the road. And there was all these little tables set up with plastic boxes on the side of the road. So quickly turned round, went back, and it was like a house clearance knick-knacky place, and it was just full to the brim with bric-a-brac. So they just had trestle tables on the side of the road in front of their shop, but kind of in front of people's houses as well. So they must have some sort of agreement for them to be able to do that. Anyway, boxes of stuff all just mishmashed together, and it was like 25p an item or 5 for £1. So that was me in heaven. A lot of it was chipped, a lot of it was broken, but there were some really good finds. So I walked away with 3 big bags, shopping bags full, and that was £20. And I think that, I mean, I couldn't even do that at the boot sale, I don't think. So I'm super chuffed with that, and absolutely gutted that it is so far away from us. So Bournemouth from us is probably about 2.5 hours. So I might put it on like a once a month, pop in there and have a look. But it's certainly not something that we can be doing every weekend. So I'll quickly show you the 3 bags full of stuff that I got. And I'll have to make a separate video, like a haul video, and show you all the bits that I got. So here are the bags. There they are. There's this one, which is full of stuff in there. And then that one full of stuff. And then that one, these really cool little apple dishes. And all of that was £20, which is amazing. These are just some other bits that was boot sale the other day. So this is all stuff that I just need to go through. And I've just got a few parcels to pack, so I'll pop you up on the side and we'll pack some parcels. I'm just packing a couple of orders. I have this massive bugbear with Etsy that you can't buy heavier Royal Mail postage labels on there. You've got to go separately onto the Royal Mail website and buy the postage. And it's just such a pain in the arse. Yesterday was Mother's Day, so I had a delicious breakfast in bed, which Stuart made for me, for Jared, because he's at university. So I got a call first thing in the morning to say Happy Mother's Day, and then he went straight back to bed. And I had delicious breakfast in bed. I'll pop a picture in here just to make you jealous. And then after that, we went for a walk round Swanbourne Lake in Arundel, it's really pretty. And because we've been having this really gorgeous weather, unheard of in the UK to have this amount of continuous sunshine, we decided to go for a walk around Swanbourne Lake in Arundel, and it was heaving. Everyone else was doing the same thing, but it was still lovely. Lots of people and their pets and their kids So I'll show you some footage of us having a walk around and you can enjoy it as well. And then that was pretty much it. I spent a few hours at the workshop doing some bits, but that was it really. Thank you for watching. I've not done a vlog style video before, so I'm not quite sure what this is going to turn out like, but I know my video editor Sergo will work his magic and I'm sure it'll be great. Maybe not so much me, the video perhaps. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.